This series isn't about perfect steps or clean formulas. It's a demonstration, a real look at how a painting evolves, including the parts that don't go as planned. And this one started with a decision. I chose to paint directly on a white canvas, instead of starting with an imprimatura. An imprimatura is a very thin layer of diluted paint, usually a neutral tone, that artists apply to take away the harsh white surface. It creates a softer starting point, something you can build your values on more easily. But I skipped it. And as simple as it sounds, it completely changes how this painting behaves. Painting on a white canvas can be deceptive because white lies to your eyes. It makes every color look darker than it really is. So be very, very careful when you paint on a white canvas, because you start correcting and overcorrecting. That's why I start to paint the background first, before I touch the face. This is a reference point. The background anchors the painting and gives me something real to judge my values against. Now, this painting has another challenge: reds. Reds are not mixing friendly. If you try to lighten them with white, you don't get a lighter red. You will get pink. And that completely changes the hue. But here's where things get interesting. Some colors, especially in the cadmium family, like red, orange, and yellow, are naturally vibrant and slightly transparent. And they actually benefit from a light surface underneath. So, in a strange way, starting on a white canvas helps me here. Normally, to get this kind of intensity, you might use impastos. Impastos mean applying thick, opaque layer of paint to build richness and brightness. But because I started on a white canvas, I don't need that white impasto here. The light is already coming through. Tell me in the comments if you would like an impasto tutorial. If you enjoy seeing this process in depth, consider support me on Patreon. At the Easel Enthusiast tier, you're directly supporting the materials, the filming, and the time that goes into these tutorials. At the Masters Studio tier, we can actually work together one-on-one, looking at your paintings, solving your problems, and helping you move forward in your artistic journey. The link is in the description if that speaks to you. In the next video, I will focus on the tennis racket. And that part of the painting takes forever. Anyway, happy painting!